The Sooner Robotics team has been around for years, building robots and entering competitions. But this year, they're putting their skills to the test to try to build a new type of robot. After almost a year of planning and building, it's almost ready. The Sooner Competitive Robotics team is building their most difficult robot to date.
This one is a lot bigger. So usually I do 3D printing and stuff for the other robots, and then this one, a lot bigger batteries, a lot bigger motor, so bigger frame, and we actually have to build from metal rather than plastic.
The team is preparing for their hardest competition yet, the Intelligent Ground Vehicle International Competition. This will be the first competition the team has entered, while they will need to rely on the robot to navigate the course by itself, instead of being controlled by an outside source.
Fully autonomous competition, so it's really hard. We have to do a lot of software to make it be able to use a camera and lots of other sensors to detect lanes and obstacles, and use GPS coordinates to navigate, and just do all sorts of stuff.
The team originally planned to compete in the international competition last year, but due to COVID-19 had to cancel. But instead of being upset, the robotics squad used the setback to their advantage.
Our competition was canceled last spring due to COVID, so it's sort of given us an extra year to work on the same project. We've built a new robot this year, but we're using a lot of the same software as last year.
The Sooners believe that this extra time and effort will help them be even more successful when it becomes time for the robot to compete. The competition doesn't take place till June, but the Sooners are ready to show off their robot and will do everything they can to make sure it's perfect until then. Back to you at the desk.
You can tell me when you're recording.
I'm recording. You gotta do the funny leg thing.
Oh, you're getting it.
Oh no.
But sliding. You're like lifting.
He's too strong.
The wheels are doing all they could.
Even when you pull it back and it goes.
Yeah, you can't. Yeah, it stays. Which that's what our mobility stuff will look like. All right.
Elevator test. Hopefully none of the components fall in between. Alright, we're in an enclosed space with a robot.
I'm getting pretty good.
There are 5 of us in the elevator now.
Here, everybody gets their own corner. Okay.
We're all nice.
Oh, let me actually.
I still think we should just go through the bay doors.
Oh, I can do a sharp turn. Okay. Let me get
He's doing it. He's doing it.
I just saw so much dust come off. Yeah, we're having manually do a little.
I love the squirrels. Yeah. That's how you know it's good.
Okay, let me just. Here, stop. I'm gonna get in front of it.
There's just you're holding it, so it's freaks out.
Yeah, I know.
Stop it!
It's squealing.
Good thing its center of rotation is the very front.
Yeah, it's so hard to control.
This is the hardest one.
I have a feeling this is not the hardest one.
Oh, we're out.
We're out.
Go, go, go!
Freedom!
Max speed.
Okay, here. Set it to 0. Let's see if it'll stop on the hill.
Oh, it definitely will.
Okay, cool. Get it onto the grass.
This looks like a hole race.
The aluminum whale is beached.
Okay, I'm getting on the ground. Try not to hit my head with it. Okay, stop it here.
It is grazing the grass.
It's grazing.
Okay.
It's the aluminum cow.
This controls so well. Except for when it
Nice.
gets stuck. I think it's beached again.
How is it beached?
Yeah.
Okay.
That is near the grass.
Okay, cool. So this is short grass and it's getting beached, so we need either bigger wheel or you can cut it.
Yeah. Yeah, I
So
think
I could drive it around.
But also, this is just a simple test, so I don't really care. Yeah.
Fully autonomous path planning.
Oh, I want to see if we'll make a turn.
It made it into the hallway. It's going into the bathroom.
Yep, that's what I figured would happen. It's saying everything is an obstacle, so it's
Cool.
trying to avoid the obstacles.
Looked like there was anything in front of it.
I could probably change the code and have it back up whenever that happens, honestly.
Yeah, because probably if there's something directly in front of it, there's not going to be something directly behind it. Oh no.
Yeah, no way.
There's an end of run. And robot killer.
Okay, I think.
Yeah, we know it can get through this.
All right, all right.
Wait.
All right. It's going back.
First place, University of Oklahoma.